Check out this beautiful Gen 1 Camaro, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is being represented as a Z28 Tribute. Has a built small block Chevy underneath the hood. You can see aluminum heads, GM Performance parts, also power steering, power brakes. Nicely equipped car, also a nice strong running car. Paint on it, as you can see, very nice. This car dries out extremely nice. It is a 4-speed manual. Shifter on the floor, obviously. Black vinyl buckets. Interior is also in very nice shape on this car. As you can see, it's not full of any sort of chips or scratches. Nice yellow and black color combination. Black vinyl roof. Very solid car too. If you'd like to check out the underside pics of this vehicle, uniqueclassiccars.com is our website where you can check those out, and as well as the engine bay, interior. Now, as far as the engine bay goes, there is a DZ block engine that, if negotiated in the price, is available with this car. Again, if I can figure it out number wise, if you're interested in it. Otherwise, if you want to take it just the way it is, that's fine too. So you can sure inquire on that when you call in. You can reach us at 507-386-1726. We're going to fire this up too so you can hear this car. Great sounding car. As you can see, this car's straight too. Take a look down the edge. As you can see, the yellow kind of changes as my angle changes around the car. It looked darker on the other side. This here is very true to the yellow color of the car. Looked a little bit darker than the other side. It's just kind of the lighting because I'm facing into the windows. This way I'm not facing into the window. But right there is a pretty true idea of the yellow on this car. Check out the interior here. See the seats, very nice shape. Headliner, also nice shape. Shoulder belts latched up there. Does have a couple aftermarket gauges. Water temp and oil pressure, I would assume. And of course the tachometer. See the 4 on the floor. Speedometer on this side. Go ahead and fire this up. Pretty nice running car, starts easily. From a cold start, it's been sitting inside, but I haven't had it running today. This is the first time, so it's probably going to sit up at high idle a little bit until it will warm up. See, the aftermarket tack does work. As you can hear, this is plenty healthy engine in this thing. Nice little rumble. Like I said, it's up on the high idle till it warms up, so the idle does come down after it warms up. If you got any questions on this, feel free to call. The number again is 507-386-1726. Our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, will have the interior pics, underside pics, engine bay, trunk. So check it out. Give us a call. 1969 Chevrolet Camaros.